If you're having a bone loss, any kind of a pain problem, tooth problem, anything like that, you need extra minerals. The only place you're going to get an intense amount of minerals quickly is from eating cheese. Now, cheese is indigestible in the human digestive tract when it's raw. The body has no enzymes to utilize it properly, and for some reason the pancreas leaves it alone. And that reason is because the body uses cheese as a sponge. It draws, the magnetism of it is so great that it draws the poisons as the blood, the neurological system, and the lymph make their way through all of the digestive system. The cheese draws those poisons out and locks onto it like a sponge, passes it through without digestion, so it removes a lot of those toxins. Every time you get nauseous, you take a little sugar cube amount of cheese, sugar cube sized amount of cheese. Take it every 10 to 20 minutes until the nausea stops. If you have nausea, poisons are dumping into the stomach. Indians, everybody knew this, that if you got bit by a snake or any other creature, the poisons went right to the stomach. Because what does the stomach do? The stomach neutralizes with hydrochloric acid any poison. It can neutralize snake poison, any kind of poison very rapidly. Sometimes they would use milk to draw it to the stomach quicker if it wasn't moving as quickly as they wanted it to. But the whole point was to draw it into the stomach to neutralize the poison with the hydrochloric acid. So whenever you get nauseous, that's a sign that the poisons are dumping there. The hydrochloric acid is mixing with it, but your body does not want to pass it through the digestive tract. It wants to vomit it, bring it right back up. But if you eat the cheese, you don't have to throw up so much. In fact, you'll reduce vomiting by probably 70%, 75% by eating the cheese, because it can just pass through you. Now, if you need a